All right, in some of the higher elevations of East Tennessee, Helene flooding hit homeowners that never saw it coming and most never imagined needing flood insurance. In 2010, we saw that here in Nashville with neighborhoods underwater that had never crossed their minds. Jaxie speaking with the local insurance agent, explaining your homeowner policy likely has no flood insurance.
That's right, Neil. And according to FEMA, only 4% of homeowners nationwide have flood insurance, even though 99% of U.S. counties have been impacted by flooding since 1996. Looking statewide, the agency shows that 27,500 properties are covered by the National Flood Insurance Program compared to the 2.5 million properties that are not. And out of the 8 East Tennessee counties impacted by Helene, less than 1% of the homes were insured. Sherelle Walker with the Walker Insurance Agency says there's a big misconception that flood insurance is automatically part of their homeowners insurance policy, but she confirms that is typically not the case. According to the State Department of Commerce and Insurance, damages from wind, wind-driven rain, trees, and falling objects are covered under homeowners. But as FEMA says, you need to have a flood insurance policy to have direct physical losses caused by a flood covered. The agency estimates that even 1 inch of water can cause up to $25 grand in damages.
I would say consider the risk because it's very affordable, especially if you live in one of the low or moderate flood zones. You can just endorse your policy or get a separate flood policy, and it will protect my clients against things like the dwelling, their home, getting rebuilt back, or their personal property, as well as giving them some additional monies towards, like, if they have to get a hotel or staying at Airbnb for the time being while their home is being renovated from the flood.
And FEMA believes homeowners overestimate the amount of federal assistance they could get after a disaster, but the agency shows the stark difference between the two, explaining that those without National Flood Insurance Program policies receive about $3 grand in federal aid compared to those with policies that get an average claim payment of $66,000.